Yep. He's on it. Hold on. Nope. A big one just jumped over there. All right. Took me a minute to get it off. Oh gosh. He should have bite me. Feel him, Fife.
Oh my gosh.
Good dinosaur, right?
That's his fucking head.
See his teeth. Alright. Anyway, first fish, kind of target species, and we can catch. Wash my hands off real quick. Alright, y'all, so far we caught one gar. My boy Fife caught a catfish, and now we're walking to a new spot. That's where we're going. There's another spot going around the corner. Probably about to stop right here where this is. If we don't catch it. Oh, this. Oh, here we go. Wow, I'm not going that way. That looks like death. Oh, please don't sting me.
I don't know what the hell I got. It's running.
You got the gar. That's the gar. You got the gar. Oh my gosh, he's ticking, bro. Yeah, it is. I got it on video too.
Yes,
It is, bro.
You see it jump?
He's right here. Pull. Jesse, reel your line in.
Oh shit, move.
Jesse, reel in. No. Just keep it out.
Cause when that's at the hook, you've seen it jump.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, Fife. Oh, you
Stay right on it, cause he's gonna be right here.
Yeah, you got the wall. Oh, he's gonna lose him. Here you go.
I want to jump again.
Me too, bro. He's all the way over here, bro. Where's Dad at? He's right next. Let's go, Dad. Hey.
You saw him at the hook. It said, ooh, right there. Can you see him?
No, that's what I'm up here for. He's trying to run in these roots over here.
Yeah, he is.
He's literally.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's right here next to the shore. He's all the way over here.
Dad, try to fight him a little bit. Oh, what the hell? There's
Dad, you don't have a gator, dude. Dad, real. He's right here, whatever it is. Oh, Dad, I bet you have a big catfish.
Oh, Dad, I think it is a big catfish.
Yeah.
You saw the tail? You saw the back fin?
Yeah.
Dad, that's not a gar.
That's a big old catfish. Yeah, that's a huge catfish. Oh my gosh, Dad. That's like a 20-pound catfish. That's like a 20-pound catfish. Can you bring him over here, Dad? Can you bring him over here or bring him over here?
Oh my God.
Bring him over here, Dad. Bring him over here.
Let's go.
Now bring him over here. I'll reach in and grab him.
Oh my God, Dad.
Am I videoing? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Bring him here, Dad. Bring him here.
Careful, Chris, 'cause
Yeah, I know. Y'all just watch my back.
all right? Hey, Jannar, go give him some water. Give him some water.
Here, don't try to. Alright. Dang. I wish there was more. Dang, he gonna bite. Alright, come on. Come on.
You got him, Chris?
Yeah.
Pliers? I got these pliers.
No, I just need someone to make sure I don't slip and fall in like I'm doing.
Don't lose that.
I got him. Come on.
You got a belt on or something?
No. Give me your gills, dude. Give me your gills. Where's his gills at? Got him. Let's go, Dad. Let's go, Dad. Let's go.
Go sit your ass down, Pop.
Look at the hook.
You can tell underneath. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Get back over there, Brendan, before you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's better than the gar. Boy, don't slip. That's...
Yeah, but it's running like hell, though.
Damn.
But we can't do
I'm lucky they're pulling it yanked in the water.
Andrew.
Bro, he got one.
Hey, can someone come reel this in for me? Here you go. Jesse.
Here's it.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, he taking it, boy. Watch me a big ass alligator turtle. How long you let? He's saying he got some more bait. Oh, he's still on there?
Yeah, it's still on. Oh, I gotta set the hook.
Hold up.
Oh my gosh. I got a circle hook. I'm about to let him take.
We hoping Grizz got the big gar we seen something.
It's either that or a catfish. Oh my goodness.
That's him. He's up top. Because he probably reached the point of.
Oh. I don't know. My line's going that way, twin. No, that is him. That was him.
He ain't big, but he's got to be bigger than the one you caught on.
All right, I got a circle hook. There we go. Yep. Got him.
How's he feel?
He feels good, bro.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, Grizz. That's a good one, Grizz. That's a good one, Grizz.
Let's go.
That's a better one.
Let's go.
Let's go, Grizzy!
It's a bowfin, twin. It's a bowfin.
That's a
That's a bowfin. Yeah, it's a bowfin.
You swear.
I swear on everything. It's a bowfin.
Catfish.
It's a bowfin.
Oh, let's go! It's a bowfin! Grizz, let's go! Let's go, Grizz!
That's a big bowfin, bro.
It's a monster, bro! I can't believe it!
I see him like he's kind of wide for.
Let's go, Grizz!
That is huge, bro.
Today's been awesome, bro. All that waiting paid off, bro.
I told you that walk out here was for sure gonna be.
Let's go. Oh.
Almost just fell.
Yo, I'm so jealous.
There he is.
Let's go, boy. Bro, that's what I wanted to catch.
All right, guys, caught this nice little bowfin out of the creek using a piece of cut bluegill. Got some catfish over here. All right, dinosaur catfish over there. Let's keep on video. We're finna let this big girl go. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, don't slip.
I'm finna let her slide right in. Hope she don't try to bite my shit. I did 5 times. Come on, big girl. There she goes.
See? Strong, buddy.
Yes, sir. Oh, let's get another one. I caught him with the other piece, like the piece after the tail. I got this piece of chunk on now. I found, like you said, bigger mouth, so I think you need.
So, you think I should do it with the tail piece? Is that what you use?
No, I wouldn't use the tail piece. That's what I was just using. I actually took that off. I think you should use the midsection because it has the guts and everything in it.
Really doing it.
No, you're good. That's actually, yeah.
So I
Actually,
can tell you where it was at.
no, yeah, that's fine. In line.
Hold on.
Yeah, he's taking line.
Hold my phone. You got him?
Yeah,
Woo!
there it is. Another fin, not as big.
Man, let's go!
Not as big.
Let's go!
I just had one hit my hit my minnow.
Damn, Grizz, you are on him. My pole's down there by itself.
He hit my I just had one hit my minnow too. That had to be what that was.
How'd you get him out there on a weight?
With the minnow, yeah, he was on bottom. Okay. Yeah, I got him.
Grizz, you got one down here.
I just flipped the bowfin, man.
Oh, Grizz.
Yeah, put him back in the bucket. That's the one I was about to use. Oof. All right, Gator Jaw. Oh, man, you greedy. Let Dad get it.
Get him, Dad.
Hey, Jesse.
Get him, Dad. Get him. The cat? I don't know. Uh-oh.
Hey, Jesse, can you reel in my pole for me?
Look how he's swimming.
It's another big catfish. Fife.
Oh, he's sailing. That's a gar. That's a gar. It's a big ass gar. Oh my God. Yeah, he turned. He turned, whatever it was.
It's right there.
You want to get him down here?
Yeah, let the.
Got him, go ahead. I don't care.
Just don't. Yeah, it's a cat. It was a guy with a jump by now.
Another big ass cat, Dad. Oh my.
Just reel him in.
Yeah. Oh.
Wife, quick, come over.
That's catfish, Dad.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro. Hey, bring him over here. Hey, twin, bring him over here. Bring him over here. Don't slip.
God, Dad, you're. Here, let me reel him in more.
Yeah, I was trying. Sorry.
No, you're good. I was trying to get him over this.
Golly, man.
I thought it was a gar because he was sailing.
All right, just hold him right there, twin.
Hey, what is up with you?
Just hold him.
What do you?
Oh my gosh, bro. He's freaking huge, bro. Give me your gills, buddy. Gills,
Nah, the question is how the hell we can put him in the bed.
God.
I'm gonna give my brother, Andrew.
Ah! He's biting the crap out of me.
Let's get fish together. You're looking at $50.
Hey, Dad, let me get that other catfish and hold up and take a picture with it.
Let you get him, but come get him.
He was moving. He was like.
Hey, well,
I saw one tonight.
yeah. Someone take a picture
Yeah, I'll give it.
and send it to me.
You got it, Five?
As long as y'all have fun, I'm good. Time of evening.
Let me hold him like that.
Now we stay down here all night and catch. You catch a lot of them right there,
Yeah.
like that.
Oh yeah, this one that was. Here's some biggest catfish I have seen.
Gotta pick a cinnamon or some kind of damn way. Huh?
Wow, what a day. Caught 2 targeted species, a bowfin, the gar, caught 2 bowfin, the gar. Caught some bluegill, my dad just caught 2 monster catfish. So honestly, we're getting ready to leave out of here because it's getting dark and there's wild hogs out here in these parts. So we're finna slide up out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.